Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this session we will learn programmable array logic. So guys, please subscribe to my channel and don't skip this video. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, today we will learn PAL, that means programmable array logic. So it is the category of programmable logic devices, and PAL has programmable and array and fixed OR array. Here we can see the block diagram of programmable array logic. In the diagram, n inputs are insert rather than m outputs are outcome. Let us see the circuit diagram of programmable array logic. Here we can see the block diagram of programmable array logic. In the top we can insert the elements. In that bottom, the output of input. In the diagram, fixed and array. So it is mandatory in programmable array logic. Let us see the problem analysis. In the problem they have give implement the circuit with PAL. It is see the carefully. We solve the problem. 3 steps we have required. Step 1, K-map simplification. Step 2, PAL program table. Step 3, PAL diagram. These 3 steps we have required to solve the problem. Let us see the problem. In that problem they have give 2 functions and implement the circuit with PAL. So the given problem is programmable array logic. So let us solve the problem. The step 1 is K-map simplification. In the problem 2 functions they have give, that is F1 and F2. Let us see the function 1 K-map. This is the K-map representation. In the boxes we give the values, that is 0, 1, 3, 2 and 4, 5, 7, 6. This is the values inside the boxes. So in the problem F1 function have 0, 1, 6, 7. We take the 1 in 0, 1, 6, 7 in K-map. In the K-map 2 pairs are there, that is 0, 1 and 7, 6. These are 2 pairs. In the first pair above values is 0, 0, 0, 1. It can be written as like this, 0, 0 and 0, 1. Here right side of 0, 1 is cancelled. Then remaining is 0, and also the first pair of right side is 0, so that A equal to 0. In the problem minterms is given, so that zeros represents complement and ones represents actual value of element. Then F1 equal to A bar, B bar. Same as second pair of above the values is 1, 1, 1, 0. In that right side of 1, 0 is cancelled, then B equal to 1. Then second pair of adjacent is A equal to 1. Then F1 equal to A bar, B bar plus AB. Let us see F2 K-map. This is the representation of K-map. We give you values inside the boxes. In the problem F2 function have 2, 3, 6, 7. So we give you a 1 in the table, where its value in table. And in the table quad is possible. In the quad above the values is 1, 1, 1, 0. In that 1, 0 is cancelled, then B equal to 1. In the table quad adjacent is A equal to 0, 1. In that 0, 1 is cancelled. Then the final answer is B. Then let us see step 2, PAL program table. This is a PAL program table. F1 have A bar, B bar plus AB, and F2 have B. These values we are finding in step 1 by using K-map. These are called product terms. These are right in table in first column of product terms. In the table, the first one is A bar B bar. In input side, AB or reciprocal is given and C is not given, so that it can be written as 0 0 dash, and A bar B bar is in F1, so that in output side we give 1 and dash, and the second one product term is AB. In input side AB is given and C is not given, so that we write 1 1 dash, same as AB product term only in F1, so we write in output side 1 and dash. The last one is B. In input side B only is given, so that we write dash 1 dash, and in output side B product term is in only in F2, so we write dash and 1. This is the step 2 PAL program table. Let us see step 3 PAL diagram. This is the block diagram of PAL. In input side we are insert A, B, C. In the problem only 3 product term is given, so remaining AND gates are not required. In the problem 2 functions is given, that is F1 F2. F1 function have A bar B bar plus AB. How did you get A bar B bar means in above input side A, B, C is given. In the diagram, first NOT gate above the line is reciprocal of input, and the second line is actual value of input. That's a way. Remaining NOT gates above the line is reciprocal of input, and second line is actual value of input. F1 function first product term is A bar B bar. This product term we get like this. Second product term is AB, that is get like this. The F2 function have only one product term, that is B. It is find like this. First column is A bar B bar, second column is AB, third column is B, and here A bar B bar and AB product terms in the F1 function, so we give dot product in OR gate line, and B product term in the F1 function, so we give dot in OR gate line. So guys, this is the final PAL diagram. So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.